What is up, my peeps? Caliber 724 here with another video for you guys today. So today actually gonna be doing the video that I was supposed to do like last week, but yeah, a lot of things got in the way. But look at this, guys. It is literally like, that's like slush right there, but that's like, it's like snowing basically. Like, look at that. You can probably see it, but crazy. So I know we're probably gonna be either delayed or out tomorrow. Hopefully that is not the case, because I don't want to have to use up my time that I'm trying to save up for Vegas. But today actually gonna be doing the video that I was supposed to be doing like last week, which is the investing in Bitcoin. So I'm actually gonna be taking a small amount of money, not a whole lot, nothing too, oh shoot. You can probably see it, there we go. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be taking a small amount of money, nothing over $10. I know it's not a whole lot. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to invest or get started investing in either cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin if you are interested in that type of thing. Me personally, I want to see where it goes, see how it goes, see if it's the same thing. My main priority right now though is my dividend portfolio, which I'm gonna try and build a little bit more. Recently I haven't really added much money into it, and I'm supposed to be doing a like an earnings report and all that stuff for February, which I'm going to be doing that this week, and I'm going to make sure I do that because I don't want to get behind on that schedule. So I'm going to pick it back up once I get somewhere more warmer and less snowy. Alright guys, so I'm back at home now, getting ready to settle down. I'm gonna play some GTA 5 for a little bit before going to bed. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start out. I just got some citrus tea here. There we go. Just brewed me some citrus tea, but basically we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put some footage up of me actually purchasing some Bitcoin, basically, so you guys can see how easy and convenient it is. So with this, I mainly thought that buying Bitcoin and stuff like that was gonna be pretty much like a little bit complicated. It's like the stock market, you know, you never know what to expect when you purchase Bitcoin or when you get into investing and stuff like that. So I wanted to show in this video how easy it is to get into Bitcoin and how you can do it. 3 different ways you can pretty much get into investing in Bitcoin and stuff like that. But here we go. So the first one actually is going to be the app that I actually did use to purchase my first piece of a Bitcoin, which is the Square Cash app. Now this app is used mainly for people who want to send money back and forth to their friends, family, other people, stuff like that. And also now with the new update for Square Cash, they actually updated it so now you can purchase Bitcoin and pretty much invest in cryptocurrency in an easy way. Now I don't think there's any limitation to how much you can buy. I know in the clip that I'm showing on the screen, at one point in time I show like there's basically a $10,000 limit, I think. But with that, you can pretty much buy a Bitcoin and, you know, a fraction of a Bitcoin. So that is pretty cool. But also with this, I'm not sure if you have a Bitcoin wallet as you do with other apps. I think it's just like when you purchase the Bitcoin, they basically base it on, you know, the highest amount that you can get from like all the sources that you can buy Bitcoin from. So I'm not completely sure how it works, you know, and I might get into that, but at this current moment I just say, hey, I'm able to buy my first fraction of a Bitcoin, and that's pretty cool in itself. And as you can see on the screen, it's like I bought it and then it dropped down, but now it's just like going back up. And this is like real time. This is like me actually recording the screen and actually just letting it run, just watching it either go up or down. So I've yet to check it since then, because I was recording this as I was going home on the bus, but basically I was just watching it go up and down, and that was pretty cool, pretty interesting. I mean, it's just like a stock or like the stock market where it'll go up and down. But what I noticed was Bitcoin, it jumps up high, and like it jumps up and goes down high in price. Like I think it's like around $1 or $2. It'll jump up from $1, then jump up another $1.95, and it's just like crazy. Like just to see that fluctuation, as opposed to like, you know, even penny stocks, they don't go that much, but go up and down that much. But at the same time, you know, you pretty much do see a lot of ups and downs with it. But overall, I think it's pretty cool. I'm pretty interested in it. I only did like $6.61, mainly because I didn't want to really go into, you know, putting a whole bunch of money into it, and then, you know, yeah, so I can just either put that in my dividend portfolio where I know for certain that what I'm doing is gonna make money, but with this, not completely sure. So, but yeah. So the second app that you can use to actually download and invest in Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, if you're interested in different cryptocurrencies, is actually Robinhood. Now Robinhood Crypto is actually coming out. I'm not completely sure if it's out where you are. You can check. I have a Robinhood link in the description below, so if you want to join Robinhood today, then you'll be able to get a free share of a random company, whether it be Sprint, Ford, General Motors, Apple, Microsoft, stuff like that. I actually did get Sprint and also Groupon from inviting 2 other friends to join Robinhood, so that is pretty cool. But if you want a free share, you can join through my link in the description below. I know it's a little, you know, advertising, but I'm just letting you guys know, if you do want to join Robinhood, then you can through my link and you'll get a free share. But with Robinhood Crypto, it came out, I did make a video a little bit ago about Robinhood Crypto and also my dividend portfolio. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, that link will be in the description also. But as far as I know, they said in February that they were going to launch it in, I think, 6 states, and then after that they were going to gradually introduce it to different states and different places. So that's pretty interesting. Like I said, not sure if Robinhood Crypto is available in your area, but you can check through the link below in the description. With this, now I wanted to add this in mainly because it adds to the hype of Robinhood Crypto, and I'm pretty interested in it. I personally feel that if I want to download, if I want to invest in cryptocurrencies, I think Robinhood might be the place. 1, because you got 0 commissions. 2, because it's convenient with my dividend portfolio. It's in the same place. That way I don't have to manage 2 different apps, if you get what I mean. And that'll be pretty interesting to see how that works out, as far as like the different things. Now, I'm kind of like going with this list, you know, as you like gradually, as you like. For instance, if you wanted to invest in cryptocurrencies, I would suggest, or if you wanted to invest in Bitcoin in general, I would suggest doing like Square Cash first. If you were like looking into, you know, getting started with it, I think it's like the Square Cash app is very convenient to those who basically send money back and forth to people anyway, because the money that you actually invest in the Bitcoin or you buy the Bitcoin with is in your Square Cash balance. So that is pretty interesting. You don't necessarily have to add a card or any bank information because it's already available through the Square Cash app when you're sending and receiving money. So that is very convenient. Robinhood Crypto, I would say, is like a medium mainly because like it hasn't got out yet, or hasn't been released in most areas yet, and two, I think with Robinhood it's more of a moderate thing. You have to, it's not really like you have help with it, but at the same time you can kind of choose what you want. That's all I have to say about Robinhood Crypto. But third and the last one I would say is Coinbase. Now I found that Coinbase was it had a lot of restrictions, if you get what I mean. And what I mean by that is like you have limits on how much you can actually spend per week, per month, such and such. And then you can add like multiple different cards and stuff like that. And depending on, I guess, it reads your bank statements and stuff like that to basically calculate how much they set that limit as. Like when I signed up for Bitcoin, or Coinbase, I mean to say, when I signed up for Coinbase and I put my card up there, they had it as, I think, $750 per week. Whereas on the Square Cash app, I can just do $10,000 in one transaction. So, and then on top of that, on Coinbase, with that, I think if you buy a certain amount, like say you wanted to buy 1 Bitcoin, I think they would have you split it up into like multiple transactions to actually, do that. So that's kind of, I found that kind of like inconvenient. Like if I wanted to buy 1 Bitcoin and I had the money for it, why not just let me buy it, So, have no idea. But with that, I would say Coinbase is kind of sort of like more specific, if you know what I mean. Like Robinhood is mainly, stocks and bonds and the stock market and stuff like that. They had just introduced Robinhood Crypto, which is pretty interesting. Square Cash mainly is like sending and receiving money. They just got into cryptocurrencies and stuff like that, or actually a cryptocurrency, which is just Bitcoin. And that's kind of like on the beginner side. Robinhood is medium, and Coinbase is more along the lines of those who want to specifically deal with cryptocurrencies. So that is my list for 3 convenient ways that you can actually invest in Bitcoin. I actually showed you a video of me actually buying my first fraction of Bitcoin, which is pretty interesting. Pretty excited about it. I'm actually gonna check and see how it's doing after I finish this video. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I know it's kind of like long-winded maybe, but yeah, I just want to kind of give a detailed description of how you can go about investing in Bitcoin and the beginner side of it, because like me myself, I'm learning. I had just got into it, so I want to help you guys. If you're looking to get into buying Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, I want to help you guys learn with me. I will make mistakes, and I'm, like I said before, I'm not an expert at this. I'm just a guy trying to learn what's going on with cryptocurrency. So cheers to that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more content. You guys know what it is. Don't forget to be vocal on the social medias in the description below. Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Yes. Also check out my store. Check out the exotic wear that I have up. I have t-shirts, I have fleece blankets, I have a hat. I was gonna put it on some shoes, but I was like, nah. So, but yeah, anyway, go ahead and check out my store. Link for that is gonna be in the description below. Subscribe for more content coming soon. You guys know what it is. Yes, you know what it is. Cryptocurrency lovers, stock market lovers, money lovers. Yes, you know what it is. Peace. Alright Alright guys, so I decided to go back and check on my Bitcoin fraction to see where it was. I invested $6.61. Looks like it's up to $6.76, so I actually made 15 cents within the first day.